question number 28 now. In the late 1960s, architect Charles Correa began his career as an urban planner, creating New Bombay, now Navi Mumbai, an urban area that provided housing and job opportunities for many who lived across the harbour from the original city. In the midst of overpopulated cities, he tried to create quasi-rural housing environments. In all of his urban planning commissions, Correa avoided high-rise housing solutions. So, as you can see, we need to choose a sentence that will close the idea. Okay, it's the blank is at the end. So, we have the sentence which is before the blank as a penultimate sentence, and it says that in all of his urban planning commissions, this person avoided high-rise housing solutions. Now what? He is particularly noted for his sensitivity to the needs of the urban poor. Now, he avoided high-rise housing solutions does not flow into he is particularly noted for his sensitivity to the needs of the urban poor. The reference is to high-rise housing solutions, and this sentence, the one which I just read out, does not connect with the idea of the preceding sentence because it does not continue with it. Okay. His early work combined traditional architectural values with the modernist use of materials. This brings in the use of materials, which is clearly a misfit. He focused on low-rise dwelling solutions that emphasized the human scale and created a sense of community. Now, he avoided high-rise housing solutions and he focused on low-rise dwelling solutions that emphasize the human scale and created a sense of community is appropriate because what is mentioned before flows into this high-rise versus low-rise and the reason for doing that. So, we go with 3. Considerations of the Indian climate drove many of his decisions. Now, there is no relation of the word climate to the rest of the paragraph, and none of the sentences discuss climate as a consideration. Okay, so 4 is gone, 3 is the concluding sentence which we have gone for.